is how to survive smaller channel to grow faster on YouTube channel. How to survive smaller channel and grow faster on YouTube. It is very important to know that smaller channel have a lot of challenges. If you are starting as a creator today, tomorrow, and for the next week, you have a lot of challenges. Maybe stress, you don't know where to start, but I can tell you, if you have hope and you are passionate about YouTube, it is very important to know that you have to be very consistent and not losing hope. Yes, this is the key. Be consistent. For a new creator, you have to face and grow your channel like other people. Even those who have big YouTube channel, yes, those big with the high subscribers, maybe 1 million, started like you. Today maybe your channel have 1 or 2 views. Don't lose hope. Be consistent. Put the best topics. Use the best topics. Post the best videos. Yes, and your channel will grow with the time. It might not today or tomorrow, but one day your channel will be very, very high, and it will attract a lot of audience on your channel. So don't lose hope and be consistent so that your channel can grow faster. Your channel can grow very, very fast if you follow the YouTube algorithm community guideline. Do you follow YouTube algorithm community guideline? For example, if you are uploading pornography, you are deleting your videos now and then, you have to stop this to follow YouTube algorithm community guideline. Yes, it will help you and will help your channel to grow very, very fast. Because if you fail to follow the community guideline, your channel can be deleted. Your videos can be deleted. Yes, be consistent and follow YouTube algorithm community guideline. Don't post videos of the same video now and then from one channel to the next. Use a new video so that your channel will be consistent. Avoid spamming. Yes, avoid all sub to sub, all this sort of violating community guideline, and this will help you and your channel will grow very, very fast. Content plan. You have to plan on your content. What are the videos you are supposed to post? Yes, plan 2 to 3 days before the videos you are supposed to post, or edit them before. Yes, put them in a batch, maybe premieres. Yes, and this will help your YouTube to grow very fast because you are organized and you have planned on your content. Schedule them. Yes, one niche at a time. Yes, use one niche. Yes, maybe on Monday, one on Tuesday, one. Yes, and be consistent. Use one niche at a time. Yes, celebrate small wins for your channel, and this will keep you going. If you achieve a small thing on your channel, then celebrate with your friends. Have a party. Yes, and this will help your channel grow, and you be consistent and you will not lose hope or be stressed. Yes, ask your friend to help you in case you are stressed and you don't know where you are. Yes, may God bless you and subscribe to my channel. Yes, your smaller channel will grow if you don't lose hope. Yes, be consistent and may God bless you.